to hand my hand down without smacking into you?
I didn't even move.
Alright guys, so we're going to wrap it up. It's 8 o'clock at night, a little after. Not a whole lot done, but fingers feeling better. Well, a little bit better. Still hurts. We got a little bit of wood split. We got the rack cleaned off like we wanted. We got oak stacked onto it like we wanted. We
Got the side of the house cleaned up with the mint.
We got some pallets laid down here by the shed, which is inside the garden area, which we've never had wood inside here. It's kind of what it is. We did get not a whole lot done, but there's a raised garden bed over there. She burnt all this, is kind of mowed down a little bit, and then just kind of messing around a little bit. I got some rototilling started, but lighting's bad. It's getting late, but I did get a little bit started. Not much. Just trying to clean out the teeth or the
Tines, I think.
Whatever they're called. Just trying to clean it out. She rototilled last year and then put it away all clogged up. So instead of all the tines or teeth or whatever, it was just one big round barrel of gunk. And she put it away like that. So I had to get it all cleaned out. That's kind of what that was. It was dry from sitting in the shed all year. Figured beat it against the ground, it'll knock itself out. But we're gonna have a lot of work. We're gonna have a lot of work. All this has got to get rototilled out, and then like this is rototilled, and you can see all the green. So all that green's gonna have to get raked out, and something's gonna have to get done with it. But this whole area has been rototilled, and you can barely tell. So we got our work cut out for us. Again, camera's kind of being funky. It's getting a little later. Sun's going down, but
we did get some of like the woody stalks and thorns and burr bushes and that stuff out of here and chipped up.
Yeah, we actually tried out this little guy right here. Mason. It does not like green stuff, but I mean the woody stuff, the actual like dried wood chunks, wasn't too bad. But this like green lively stuff, it does not like. I mean the actual like wood chips, it wasn't too bad. It's I don't know how old it is, but it's Craftsman. Probably safe to say it's fairly old.
It's definitely old. It came from an estate sale we worked, and the man that had it is in his upper 70s. So it's not a newer one, I guarantee that.
Oh, I forgot my train of thought. Also, I had to yawn. I'm getting old and I go to bed early. No, that's not true. I am getting old though. Yeah, we probably, instead of rambling on anymore, we could probably close it.
Hopefully this week we'll get this garden under control and start planting, because we really do need to get the stuff in the ground.
Yeah, so probably next video we'll be rototilling this up, probably raking it out, probably rototilling again, probably raking it again. I got a bad feeling we're gonna do it at least twice. I got a bad feeling we might have to rototill this up 3 times and rake it out, but we'll see how it goes. But hopefully the next video that comes out will be us getting this garden whipped back into shape and then ready for planting. Maybe, depending on how bad this all ends up being, maybe we'll do a little planting in the next video. But
yeah, I'm hoping by the end of this week we'll get some stuff in the ground, hopefully by the weekend.
But we're gonna go ahead and wrap it up. Appreciate you guys stopping by, checking us out. It's been a while, I know it. We're bad. Hopefully I keep saying it every video. I keep saying it. We're going to get better. I'm going to do my best to make sure we get better. So, appreciate you guys stopping by, showing us a little love. We'll catch you guys on another one. Stay positive. Appreciate you guys. Peace.
See you later.